everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make a super quick and easy bracelet using soft flex wire in purple amethyst? And these are just using a couple beads I had in my collection. And these little flower beads were claimed from the soft flex live sales, and I will leave a link down below in the description for that. We have 4mm mother of pearl. You'll need a few 2x2s and a clasp of your choice. I'm using a lobster claw. And I'm always posting new content, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. To get started, we are just going to slide on one of our 2x2s and slide on our clasp. We're going to take our beading wire and slide back through our 2x2. We want to give it a little bit room on that clasp so it can move freely. If it is right up to the clasp, it will create too much tension and may cause your piece to break. We're going to take our pliers and go in and give it a little smash. Sometimes the bead wants to slide around. We're going to just go and give it a little smash, and we're going to rotate, and this will just give it a more professional finish. And by adding your clasp on first, it ensures that it's like your little bead stopper. So we're just going to slide on the beads. And I'm alternating between the 4mm mother of pearl and this adorable purple check glass flower. And another great thing I love about soft flex wire is it comes in so many different colors, so you can really incorporate the color into your design. And with the mother of pearl, since it is a natural shell, it just kind of gives it a little highlight to those flowers. So you're just going to keep stringing on your beads until you reach your desired length. I think this would make a really cute anklet as well. And it's the same technique to make an anklet, bracelet, or necklace. So we've reached the end of our bracelet. We have a few beads left over. We're going to slide on our last 2x2. And if you want to attach a jump ring to this end, you can, and that's where your lobster claw will connect. Or if you're using a toggle, then you'd want to attach the second part of your toggle clasp. We're just going to pass our wire back through our 2x2. We want to make sure that it's a big enough loop so that our lobster claw can grab onto as our closure. And then we're just going to do the same thing with our pliers, give it a smash and rotate. Trim off our little tail. And just like that, we have a beautiful bracelet using our soft flex wire in the beautiful purple amethyst color. So we're just going to open up our little lobster claw. We have a beautiful bracelet. You can always add like a little charm to the end of it or a little initial if you wanted to personalize it for a gift. And there is our bracelet using the soft flex wire. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow for more content.